Hello beautiful people, you are welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create your own photo shoots without paying a dime. It could be your birthday photo shoot, it could be your graduation, it could be just you want to snap it for yourself and save it on your phone, or make it as a frame in your sitting room or in your bedroom. You can do it with just one app. Let me walk you through by going to ChatGPT. Let's go to our ChatGPT. We are now in ChatGPT. ChatGPT helps us to do whatever we want to do, and any question that we ask him, he will answer us. But in today's video, we are going to create our photo shoots. You can generate your picture or any picture you want to recreate from Facebook, WhatsApp status, from TikTok, from Instagram, from anywhere, from LinkedIn, anywhere. Once you love the posture, you can recreate it. Look at this. Look at this plus sign here. That's where we are going to click on. Click on this plus sign. It will take us to our gallery. Then click on picture. It will take you to your gallery and look for the picture that you want to recreate, that you've already screenshot on your phone. So this is the one I'm going to recreate. I love this posture and I want my picture to look like that. So we allow it to load. Fine. Now that it has loaded, we tell ChatGPT to give us a prompt. Give me prompts to recreate this design. Then allow it to go. Fine. So this is the next step. The next step is to copy the instruction, that the prompts. The next step is to copy the prompts that ChatGPT has given us. Copy everything, copy all. Just long press on it, then select on copy all, select on copy. Then we are pasting it back here on ChatGPT. Paste the prompt back here, then paste. So now that we have pasted it here, we look at what, if there is anything you don't like there. Maybe you want the color to be green, or you want the color, the suit she's wearing, to be purple, or you want the hair to change, or anything that you want to change in that picture, you change it here before you give ChatGPT the go ahead to generate. Now I'm fine with what I have there, so I just want to change the face. So the next step is, but me, I'm fine. Yeah, I'm fine with all what she's putting on. The next step is go back to your gallery to pick your portrait photograph. So here, if you don't have a picture photograph in your gallery, you can click on your camera like this. Click on your camera, turn to your face, then click snap. So see, I snapped my face, but I'm not going to use this. So I'll just give you an example. In case you don't have any photograph in your gallery that you're going to use to recreate this, just click on camera and it will bring out, it will quickly give you a snap of your face. Now let's go to gallery. I'm going to pick the picture that I want to use from my gallery. So click on picture and click on